So today's course is actually truly inspired by, in my mind, one of the greatest entrepreneurs. Anybody ever heard of Marcus Lemonis? He focuses on 3 core principles: people, process, and product. And I'm going to share with you all how those 3 principles play a part in my career and how they've allowed me to actually establish a business based off my creativity. Whatever the industry you're in, photographers, stylists, models, that's the creative. But we gotta learn how to build actual business around what it is that we're doing. I'm gonna start with the first lesson. Y'all just met 40 new people today. Often, it's been said often, you need to network and collaborate laterally. It's the people next to you, the people in this room that actually will probably allow your work and your vision to be seen at the greatest level you can imagine. The second part is called process. Process can be your consistency, process can be your communication, and process could also be your presentation, like the way you present yourself. I think the first step in process is knowing what you're working towards and knowing what your formula is. You have to learn what the process and what the formula was. You all know there's something that you can be studying within your field that you can be better at, and you should be doing that every single day. You should be trying to learn something new that makes you better at what it is you do. That is your product, and you have to master that. When you master the people you got around you, the process you got around you, and most importantly, if not most importantly, but just as equally important, the product that you're able to deliver, that's when you'll be great, and that's when you'll be able to turn your creativity into a business.